Hello little scientists, welcome to ALLEN IntelliBrain. Have you ever observed a tap? It has many holes in it through which the water flows out. But even while having many holes, the water flows down as a single stream. Do you want to know why? Let's see in this video. From the Intelli SMART Box, take out the properties of water activity kit and the disposable glasses. Take out the bottle of thumb pins from the properties of water activity kit. Also take out one disposable glass from the box. Your Intelli SMART Box contains 3 types of disposable glasses. You need to use the type 3 glass for this activity. You will also need a ruler and a bottle of water from your home. Now, at the base of the glass, we have to make 3 holes using the thumb pin. Take the ruler and make the holes such that the distance between the holes is 2 to 4 mm. You may take your parents' help for this. For the ease of understanding, I am using a pen to mark the points for the holes. These are the 3 points at which we are going to make the holes. Now, using this pin, we will make the holes. Now, take this glass to any sink or basin in your home. Here, I will do this activity with this large container. Hold the glass like this and now let's fill it with water. Can you see that there are thin water streams coming out of the holes that we have made? Now, place a finger lightly across the 3 holes like this. After removing the finger, can you see any change in the flow of water streams? Right, all the 3 streams have converged to form a single stream. When the 3 streams of water were converged by our finger, they became a single stream due to cohesion between the water molecules. Due to the attraction between the water particles, they try to stick together. This property of water is known as cohesion. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.